feels good to come out here and get a win like this on the road, especially not on your home courts. Playing on different surfaces, like a different atmosphere, it's different, but it's good to adapt and get used to it and get the win. I train with Daniel at Saddlebrook. It's weird, we play practice matches, train together, but it was fun to play him in a proper match.
This match was tough. He gave me a hard time. Even in the first set, we were battling. It was close. He was up in the beginning, and I fought back to 4-all, then 4-5, and I got it back to 6-5 me. And then after that, we went into tiebreak at 6-all, and he got 2 first points. I was already on edge, and I just fought till the end, and I managed to pull that off. We just started playing ITFs this year, and getting some good results already, so I'm happy. I have nothing to lose. I mean, I don't care about ranking. I'm just here to improve for the future, so I'm going to focus on the things I need to work on, and we'll see from there.
I mean, yeah, it was a good match. You know, if I stayed grounded, stayed more disciplined, I think I could have pulled it out, but it was a good match to learn from, and I think I moved forward with it. The match before this, I beat the #1 seed, which was a long match, like 4 hours, so I'm just happy I could make it this far, and next week